Hi guys, we are back again, Chaley. If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. So guys, this is the final episode of the Not Experience. In this video, we are going to be seeing what's inside the domestic airport in Tamale. Let's go right into the video.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
So we have just arrived at the airport. Sule is helping me with I've got some shea butter in my backpack. Hi Jennifer. Hi. Everyone should thank Jennifer for me. So it's time to go. It's so I'm so sad. I can't believe I'm leaving Tamale. I can't believe it. I've enjoyed these past few days here and I can't believe it's time to go. This is also their car park for taxis and other commercial vehicles. And this is the main car park for workers at the airport and also drop off people for a short time. So yeah. This is like the waiting area. So I am done checking in. You can either use your passport or you use any form of ID. That is the voter's ID card, your driving license, and yes, any form of ID aside the passport can be used to travel domestically in Ghana. So I'm currently at the waiting area.
Later.
Do you guys feel the difference between the atmosphere in the room and outside? This is super hot. So this is the Tamale Airport. This is how it looks like. And this is the only aircraft here at the moment. I'm ready to board my flight. flight from Tamale to Accra takes about 45 minutes. And if you are going by road, it takes about 9 to 12 hours. Thank you. So guys, this brings us to the end of the North experience. I hope you enjoyed each episode as much as I enjoyed being in the North, as much as I enjoyed documenting every single experience with you. Which of them is your favorite so far? If you missed any episode, it's still up on my channel. Check it out, give the video a thumbs up, and I really appreciate your comments. Thank you so much. Until next time, on my next video, I love you all as always. Mwah. Bye.